is the ideal location if you wish to get out and enjoy a tranquil setting. One of Qatar's biggest parks is this one. You may select an area where you can relax and delight in the day. You can visit museums and see other exhibits while you are in the site. You can select the best one from among the many restaurants to eat. Park for walking and relaxing in Katara Green Hills Park. Katara Green Hills includes about 361,500 square meters of grass and trees around the Katara Cultural Village. These gardens are divided into northern hills and southern hills on both sides of the village and have walking paths and recreational facilities. The hills that give the park its name are home to about 3,300 trees from around the world and give a natural look to the Katara Cultural Village. Overlooking Katara Beach, Katara Green Hills provides a very pleasant place to relax and unwind at the same time. The park's fundamental information is provided below. It is one of Qatar's biggest parks. Hills in the north and south make up the area. The artificial slopes are ideal for hiking. It is the only place in the nation where a river has a waterfall. There are benches located beneath the trees in case you become tired from wandering. The park's decorative trees were grown in a number of nations, including the Philippines, with all the lights illuminating the garden at night. The park also comes to life. Some restaurant facades have nighttime lighting. The foreign eateries provide food from Armenia, India, Turkey, Egypt, and Paris. There are additional food options in the tasty street area. Food consumption is prohibited in the park's manicured parts. You can only imagine how freezing it may be when you ascend to the upper places. If you visit the Katara Cultural Park in the winter, you should bring a jacket to stay warm. Waterfall River. There are two sections of the Katara Hills Park, north and south. Go to the North Hill portion if you want to witness the Waterfall River. You can unwind thanks to the water's relaxing effects. You can rest your eyes while admiring the well-kept flora. If you wish to go outside the park, there are numerous additional sights to see. You may discover libraries and museums all across the village if you like those things. The mosques and amphitheaters have distinctive architectural styles. You can enjoy Qatari culture even more by visiting the planetarium and the galleries. In addition, if you'd like to go swimming, you may also go to the shore. Children older than 6 can enter for QR 50, while adults must pay QR 100. Starting at 10 a.m., the beach is open. Access information for Katara Cultural Village. In West Bay sits the Katara Cultural Village. You can enter through the free entry located next to the Doha Exhibition Center. While you wait, you should enter through Lusail Street if you need to find a parking space.
Kaya, follow the leaders lang kami.
Tapos maghangat-hangat.
Tapos 2 kilometro daw.
Maghangat-hangat papunta.
May mga puno din dito. Tingnan nyo. Akala nyo walang puno sa Middle East. Mayroon mga puno dito. Yan. Mga puno yan. tapos mayroon silang car. Walang gasolina na car. Yan guys.
Pwede naman sasakay tayo doon papo dito.
Kung gusto nyong makaihi kayo dito.
Lagi namang may
Pwede
CR
din kayo
dito.
mag-video sa sarili niya dyan.
Ay,
Bakit?
hello?
Continue, to be continued.
Bakit? Nag-silent pala ako, baga.
To be continued tayo
Silent pala
guys.
Mas malambing.
Ilang kilometro na yung nalakad natin, te?
Siguro mga probably mga 30 minutes na.
30
Not
minutes.
kilometer.
Hindi niya alam yung kilometer, so mga 30 minutes na daw kami naglakad-lakad.
At saka nandito na kami sa Balintong Gift. Sa Balintong.
Kaya maraming tao ngayon mga guys kasi
Friday is weekend.
pa-winter na siya, malamig na dito. Pero pagpapawisan pa rin kami kahit konti.
Lalo na mamaya pag naakyat na namin yung artificial river.
Oo. Pakita daw niya yung artificial river. Tingnan namin.
Ayun o, tok-tok yun ha.
Diyan daw sa pinaka-tok.
Ayun o.
Diyan daw
Doon
kami
yan.
aakyat. Diyan daw kami aakyat kasi may ipapakita siya. Sige na, saan?
You know guys, there,
Ah, there.
the far away there is a artificial river. So
Ah.
we went there.
We will. Past tense man yung
Don't
wen.
forget,
We
we
will.
will hangak-hangak there.
Di pa man tayo nakapunta dyan. Guys, yan yung gift na walang
nabalintong.
laman. Nabalintong kasi walang laman.
But if you go
Pag
inside,
makita nyo na to, yung gift na to, katara na to.
usually if you very expensive.
Yan yung Granada. Ituro mo yung Granada.
Oy,
Sa likod
Granada.
mo.
Ah, that is the Granada building. Doon putok-putok.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
That is balintong, ano ba yan?
Balintong.
Gift balintong building.
Upside down gift.
Yes.
That is the upside down gift.
If you go inside, very expensive the saman.
Yung suman daw dyan sa loob. Ano dan? Mahal daw.
Ang mahal, oh.
Ang mahal daw ng suman. May suman pala dito.
Saman ba? Gamit ba?
Ay,
Yung
saman.
mga gamit ba?
Saman
Mga
pala.
ano.
Mga gamit.
Nga t-shirt. Sabi niya, you know, the foreigner. Yung foreigner. Sis,
Ito yung ano, yung
Harold's House building.
landmark ng Katara. Pag makita nyo tong gift na to, nasa Katara na kayo. May ano daw, may octopus daw. Yung octopus mo pinagsasabi niya, Ate Judy. Yan, tatawid muna kami. Kasi
you
pupunta
see,
daw kami
that is
sa...
Harold's building.
Ah,
And this is the gift building. Ah.
chart.
Pero titingnan natin kung saan.
No, tingnan nyo.
When you want to drink tea,
Ini-effortan talaga niya lagyan ng ganito-ganito. Pero hindi ito, damo. Talagang ano siya, parang mga dahon-dahon. Pero hindi siya pwedeng gawing gulay.
Yes. No one can pick.
Sinasabi niya Harold building. Wala, ito ba yung gift? Ah, Harold. Taka lang, may si Ate Juby. Di mo na ni Harold. Harold building ba? Ang tawag nito.
Magpicture tayo dito.
Eh, malapit na kaming aakyat.
Oh, na may harang.
Mm.
Oh. Pwede kasi
Lakad-lakad.
tayo mag-run about kasi ito na yung kukunin natin.
Guys, lumiko na kami.
Ito na yun.
Yun, ang daming sasakyan. Mukhang traffic. Yan. Liko na
Pwede
kami.
kami wa.
Pwede naman mag-car. Kaso yung car namin nakapark dun sa malayo. Wala kami pambayad
Ayun,
para
may
sa car
over,
park.
may over doon.
Ah, pwede pala yung Uber dadaan.
Oo. Siyempre, may nag-book sa kanila sa taas.
Tapos dito kahit madilim dito walang mga ano dito mga galaw ng yung ano nyo, kukumilat nyo. Ano? Gusto namin magsakay ng ganyan. Tapos di ba pwede kasi may ano, puno na.
May VIP na ka, ano.
Hinihingal na kami guys.
Wala pa nga yan.
Ah,
Pag ganyan pa lang tayo.
nasa taas na kami ha, hindi kami sa baba. Kanina sa baba kami. Kahit madilim dito, safe,
Pero may ano, may
safe.
people, may people na mag-walking ka, may please talaga sa mga tao.
Yan.
Talagang limon.
Video sa ko, video na kauna na.
Ito yung ano guys, ito yung regalo. Sa taas. Kita niyo na. Yan ang maganda mag-picture dyan, oo. Nagpawisan ako. Ayun ni Babe?
Miss Tok Tok.
You see the guys? From where? There. From there. From there. We go from
From there,
to see the restaurant and this.
from there daw.
From there.
Hindi pwede makaakyat dyan. Hindi kami pwede makaakyat dyan kasi close. Yan sana yung puntahan namin. Picture. Mga sasakyan na nagbanggaan.
Ay, dati open yan dyan.
Yan.
Open naman eh.
Open?
Open naman eh. Open naman eh.
Close. Yung tour guide namin, di namin alam may chicken.
uy, ano yun? Be, how are you?
Oh. Hi.
Ibang kulay ng kambing namin.
Hi, Mami. Yan yung kambing dito. Yung tainga niya mahaba. Tapos
Nice na, bero ko naman.
ito yung Persian.
Me,
Ito yung Persian na kambing. Mahaba din yung buhok. Mehe. How are you, me? Hi, hello, me. Me. Tingnan nyo, haba ng buhok niya. Me. May chicken din sila. Yan sinilip niya dahil gusto daw niya magtula ng manok. Yan, inano niya dun sa taas. May native daw. Sus na magtula ng manok. Dito lang, pwede daw kukuha dito.
Oo, ito pala siya.
Ganda ng kulungan ng manok, no?
Mayroon sila.
May sila, may kwarto. Pinapahirapan kami ng tour guide ngayon.
Oo, hindi na makita. Tingnan mo.
Kasi gusto niyang silipin yung nagbanggaan doon ng mga
Dati
sasakyan.
kasi ganyan man makikita yan dati.
Saan yung nagbanggaan na sasakyan?
Ayan, doon nga yun. Oh. Tingnan mo kung paano maganda kaya.
Yan,
Oh.
umakyat na.
Tingnan mo.
Ah,
Tingnan mo ang ganda.
aray ko.
Ayun, oh, tingnan mo ang ganda.
Ang ganda daw ng dito sa
Ito.
taas.
Dito
Kaso,
na ticket, oh. Mika. Dito
Kaso-
ba tapos makita yung Harrods? Diba?
Oo, ito pa yung sinasabi niya na makikita yung mga sasakyan na nagbabanggaan.
Nagwanuhan ng mga
Building na green.
Asan yun
May
yung
green.
hospital
Yan,
views?
oh.
Hospital views?
Hindi, yun green.
Ah, yun?
May red.
UDC.
Oo nga, UDC yan day.
Okay.
Puro ano yan, Qatari empleyado.
Saan nagwiwi si yung bayani natin na si Juby, yung OFW sa Qatar.
45 minutes.
Ayan.
We're here now in the artificial
Yan.
river.
Oo. Tapos, nandito na tayo sa artificial river. Papakita namin sa inyo. Ito ba yun?
Oo.
Guys, papakita namin yung artificial river.
So ito, ginawa talaga to ng Qatar
Oh.
And it is so much cold.
Sige,
ha?
ikaw mag-control. Yan, yung river.
Feel the
Sige,
water.
sige.
So much cold. Like parang may yelo siya.
Anda?
Parang may yelo. Lamig.
Yan, sige, te.
Baka may pantak ko today.
Sige, magkuhan. I-explain na, river to.
This is the artificial river in the Qatar.
Ah. Anong amoy ng tubig? Amoyin mo.
Amoy lotion. Amoy lotion.
Tignan natin.
Down from there.
Tignan natin. I-ano natin. Yan yung hanggang doon. Ano lang? Okay lang. Hindi naman hanggang doon yan. Yung river.
Pababa.
Hanggang pababa. Diba? Nasa Qatar kami pero may may river. Diba? Ganyan. Naghahanap sila ng isda. Ha? Diba? Kita nyo? May tubig. Yan. Ha? Te, bibuhi ka tingnan ako. Ayun na, i-on mo.
Oh, sige. Okay, until from 45 minutes, we reach in the artificial here, artificial river. Maganda naman yung ano mo daw.
May nalibang, pwede kayo maglibang. Pwede kayo maglibang kung kalibangon mo. Yung ani jud yung mga
Pababa ka lang ngayon doon, Day.
oo. Yung ani jud diri kani siya dili ni siya kuan orig pero gihimo jud nila ni nga murag tinuod. Pero wala isda. Diba char-char kayo? Ako yung ani. Murag tinuod. Yan, char-char kayo. Oo. Pababa. Pero padulong din na siya dito. May bulinaw do dito. Grabe guys, yung sapa dito guys, nakakalula, char. Di man ni tinuod guys, pero murag yapon siya tinuod.